Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes related to this lecture or MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also starting our offline and online classes for UGC NET of English Literature, so stay tuned with us for more updates. So let us start the discussion on today's literary term, bombast. First of all, introduction. Bombast is a term used to describe a wordy and inflated diction that is clearly disproportionate to the subject matter it represents. This stylistic device, often found in literary works, employs grandiose language to convey ideas that could be expressed more concisely. Throughout the history of literature, various writers have used bombast to varying degrees, sometimes intentionally to achieve a particular effect, and at other times inadvertently due to the prevailing literary conventions of their time. This lecture explores the concept of bombast, its manifestations in literary works, and its implications on artistic expression. Christopher Marlowe and the high style. Even esteemed poets like Christopher Marlowe were not immune to using bombastic language in their works. For instance, in his play Dr. Faustus, Marlowe occasionally employs a high style that may seem inappropriate for the context. An example of this is Faustus's declaration in Act 3, where he uses elaborate language to express his desire to see Rome. A closer examination of such instances helps us understand the reasons behind the use of bombast in early modern drama. Bombast in heroic drama. The late 17th and early 18th centuries saw an abundance of heroic dramas characterized by their pompous language and exaggerated expressions. This form of drama was rife with bombast, as playwrights aimed to create grand and heroic images on stage. One such notable example is Henry Fielding's Tom Thumb the Great, which satirizes the bombastic language prevalent in heroic drama. Through the parodic portrayal of the male lover's emotional outburst, Fielding mocks the excessive and artificial expressions typical of the genre. The evolution of the term bombast. Originally derived from the word cotton stuffing, the term bombast acquired a metaphorical sense during Elizabethan times, where it began to symbolize the use of over-elaborate style. Understanding the historical context of this term sheds light on the perception of language and rhetoric during different literary periods. Implications of bombast on artistic expression. The use of bombastic language in literature raises questions about the appropriateness of stylistic choices. While bombast can heighten drama and create a sense of grandeur, it can also detract from the substance of the work and alienate readers or audiences. Exploring the delicate balance between artistic expression and excessive embellishment in various literary works enriches our understanding of the creative process. Conclusion. Bombast as a stylistic device has found its way into numerous literary works over the centuries. From Christopher Marlowe's occasional use of elevated language to the deliberate parodies of heroic dramas, the application of bombast has evolved alongside changing literary norms. A deeper exploration of bombast in literature offers valuable insights into the art of expression and the dynamics of communication between authors and their audiences. So this was the discussion on the term bombast. We will meet in next video and discuss some other literary term. Until then, goodbye and see you.